welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at the tropics, and things are starting to heat back up after a little bit of a cold period. But we have 2, 3, 4 new systems to look at. I'll get to those in a moment. But first, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. Now let's get right on into it. Starting off here with the Atlantic, which right now is just showing 1 disturbance. 10% chance in the next 48 hours and 5 days. I doubt this forms, but it is something that we do need to watch, as maybe we can see this develop a little bit more, and then this percentage does go up. Now in the East Pacific, we do have a definite chance here. 50% chance in 48 hours and 90% chance in 5 days. This is the storm that I talked about yesterday. But there's a little disturbance that might coincide with this storm, which is what's going to bring us to the GFS. So, here is the Atlantic storm right now. Really not much, and it kind of deforms. We do get another African wave here. That starts to march across, but eventually that's just going to dissipate too. We move to the Gulf Coast now, where we have our second storm that we're going to talk about today. No, this is not deja vu. This is a completely separate Gulf storm that forms out of Mexico, moves straight up, and makes landfall in almost exactly the same spot, and continues northward. So just another thing to talk about. Maybe another disturbance here, but we're really not going to talk about that. That's way too far out. We're going to move to the East Pacific. So with the East Pacific, this is a lot more interesting. So we have our disturbance here. This broader area tightens up, and we definitely get a hurricane out of this. But look right in here. We do have a low pressure system. It does tighten up a little bit to the point where it's going to alter the path of this storm. This storm was going to make landfall in Mexico, but because of this storm, it'll do the Fujiwara effect, where they rotate around each other, and it ends up stirring this back into the East Pacific a little bit before it eventually dissipates. So just an interesting little thing there. But if that actually happens, that is significant. That limits a lot of the damage. It also weakens the storm a little bit as the storm gets a little stronger off of that. So it could be a benefit if that does happen. But that's about it. There's another one here at the end, but again, we're not talking about those. They're way too far out, and things change almost every mile run at that point. But which of those 4 systems, the 2 in the Atlantic and the 2 in the East Pacific that are going to do the Fujiwara effect around each other, which ones do you think will form? Which ones do you think won't form? Comment in the comment section down below. But that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.